Ben and friends. The red ball. Words. Garden. Ben is in the garden. Fly. Suddenly, a red ball flies in. Laugh. Ben looks up and laughs. Wall. A boy looks over the wall. Word quiz. A boy looks over the blank. Ben looks up and blank. Ben is in the blank. A red ball blank in. Story time. Ben is in the garden. The garden is green and big. Ben has a small green chair. He sits on his chair. Suddenly, a red ball flies in. Swoosh! The ball hits the green tree. It is on Ben's head. Ben looks up and laughs. Who is there? Ben asks. A boy looks over the wall. Read aloud. Ben is in the garden. He sits on his chair. It is on Ben's head. A boy looks over the wall. Reading quiz. Where is Ben? In the house. In the garden. What color is the chair? Red. Green. What flies into the garden? A bird. A red ball. Where is the ball now? On Ben's head. Under the chair. Grammar point. We use is to talk about one person or one thing. Ben is in the garden. The garden is green and big. It is on Ben's head. Grammar quiz. Ben blank in the garden. The ball blank red. The trees blank green.